So today we will be learning how to make chocolate chip cookies from scratch. So this is Marcus and we will be making the cookies together. So the first ingredient is sugar. Pam, you always need Pam, you know. Chocolate chips. I don't know why she has these, but my mom got the wrong chocolate chips. So hopefully it turns out okay. Natural vanilla flavoring. Marcus, we get the eggs out the fridge, please? I guess this self-rising flour. So the flour, brown sugar. Gotta have that brown sugar. We have a pan for the cookies. Thank you. We have the eggs. So I need my laptop. The recipe we're making is chewy chocolate chip cookies. And we're gonna put some Pam on this. I don't want to get on my laptop. Let's get on Marcus.
Yeah.
Okay, we Pammed it. Now, why does it smell like butter?
Cause it's
She got the butter smelling Pam.
butter. Did you?
It's nasty. I don't like the smell of butter. Okay, I need melted butter. Let me grab it. So for the chewy recipe, it says to use melted butter instead of like softened. And then it says to use more brown sugar. And chill the chocolate chip cookie dough, so we have to like put it in the fridge after we're done preparing it. 3/4 of a cup of butter. So we have the butter. It's so hot in here. Why is it so hot? 3/4 cup. 1 tablespoon. Dang. We need a lot of butter. Okay. Let's see. 1.5 sticks. Oh, it says 1.5, so 1.5. Never mind, it's not 3. 1.5. Now we gotta melt it. So I just put it on for 30 seconds and we're just gonna kind of squish it because I don't want to burn the butter. Cornstarch? I don't even know if we have that. Well, not making it with cornstarch today. 30 seconds was not long enough. 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Cup. It's getting everywhere. Let me move the camera down. I don't know. I want y'all to be able to see that I'm like putting it in the bowl. Half of a teaspoon of salt. Didn't even get all the ingredients I need. So we're gonna have to make it without cornstarch. Melted butter, brown sugar, and regular sugar. So sugar, 3/4 a cup of dark brown sugar. Oh, I have the 1/4 already, so I just need 3/4. I'm stupid. Putting the sugar in there, brown sugar. 1. We don't have any.
Half cup of granulated sugar. Wait, so is the whole flour going
Yeah.
I'm weak.
And then we got half the cup of regular sugar. It's very melted. You're too tall. You can't even fit in the camera.
I'm just gonna like lean back.
So we got the mixer. It's in. We're starting. So I'm mixing it. Don't overmix it. Whisking the egg, then the egg yolk. So 1 large egg. And then we just need. We throw this one away, Marcus. Oh! Ew! Ew! The egg is in my hand. Will you grab the egg yolk? Just
Oh snap! Hold on.
No, not that.
Pull it. Hold on.
Marcus!
It's
Marcus!
slippery. It's slippery.
Grab it. Okay.
2 teaspoons.
I should have made these 2 weeks ago. Put a little much in there.
It's just a secret recipe.
Yeah. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix together with a large spoon. So we're gonna use this XOXO. We're mixing the dry ingredients in with the wet. I'm gonna pour more of this. So you don't put the chocolate chips in yet. You gotta wait. And then you fold them in.
What's that mean?
Like, you put them on a layer and then you fold it over. Now, we're mixing in the chocolate chips. The dough, the final dough, and Marcus. Now it says to fold the chocolate chips in, put it on the top. So, I don't know, you can see it? Fold it. A little too many chocolate chips. Everybody, folding is just like this. So you just kind of fold it over. Honestly, you could just mix it. I don't even know why you have to fold it. But whatever, they want to be extra. Put the dough in the fridge for a few hours. So we're going to cover it up. Boom. It's been, you know, a while. And we just pulled this bag out. It is freezing. Oh, I think I was supposed to prepare it and then it's okay. Oh, yep, I was, because it's like hard now. So we're making balls now. And then we're going to put the balls in the pan. Don't want to make the balls too big. You don't. You just ball number. Because I knew that too, because I watched those videos in class because I had to. What was that?
Ice cold homemade, sweet tea only mama knows how to make. Yeah, homemade, me love a small.
Take 12 to 13 minutes and 325. Then we'll be done. I need to go up. So, I'm gonna get them out of the oven now. Let me turn it off first. So, it's a little fluffy right now. Maybe they're not done all the way. But I think they should be. I made another batch of cookies. They're already in the fridge. I'm about to take them out and put them in the oven. So we set the oven at 325. Got it. So I have 2 pans of cookies. Both are like this. The timer just went off. Cookies are done. Let's see them out. Okay. So they look kind of fluffy right now, but they need to cool off. So once they cool off, we'll be okay. I need to keep the oven on because I'm putting the other batch in now.
And I'm ducking and dodging the police, I swear if I see him running. And I'm ducking and dodging the police, I swear if I see him running. I'm in the deep end, I'm in the deep end, I'm in the deep end. What you know about being in the deep end? I'm in the deep end, I'm in the deep.
Okay, now hold on. Hey guys. So I made some more cookies. Okay. Hey guys, so I made some more cookies. Stop laughing. Oh, let me start all over. Hey guys, so okay, so I made another batch of cookies and it's a different day, so we're gonna they're already in the fridge. Okay,